Hello to all of my lovely people out there. If you haven't noticed, I love writing prompts. So this is why in the month of August, I did a writing prompt contest and I chose a winner. But first, let me tell you what that writing prompt was about. Here it goes. It says, take your favorite word and as if it was tangible, describe how it would feel. And I also gave all of you lovely people a writing prompt tip to help you write accordingly to the writing prompt. And it goes as this. There is more to writing than giving words to your readers. It's about taking what only can be read and making it into a reality. And when this is done, your reader will see your story as more than a book, but as an adventure unlike any other. So I posted this writing prompt contest on Instagram and Twitter, and I said, go for it, take that one word, describe how it feels so that others too can enjoy the same sensation you get when seeing that word, saying that word, or reading that word. And I chose a winner. And I'm excited to tell you guys who that winner is, but also to read you the response that they wrote for the writing prompt. And the winner of this writing prompt contest is, drum roll please. That was a very fantastical, drum roll. But the winner is Vivi V. Yay! Congratulations to Vivi V for winning the writing prompt contest and also winning several other things as well, such as a shout out here on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, a $25 gift card, a free book from me of her choosing, and also me reading her writing prompt response here on my social media platforms. So everyone, say congratulations in the comments to Vivi V for winning the writing prompt contest. And also be sure to check out Vivi V on Twitter. Her handle is Vivi V Adorned. But now, let's get to the special part of this program, and that is reading aloud Vivi's writing prompt response. Are you ready? It is a wonderful response, if I were to say so myself. It goes as this. The earth was pugnant again, in the most delightful of ways. The smell of moist dirt tickled at her nose. The feel of rose raindrops soaked velvet against her fingertips. They were more fragrant than ever. Cicely inhaled, reveling in the relief the storm had brought. Petrichor. That is the word that Vivi wanted to share with the world and to express and to show how that word would actually feel. And for those of you who do not know what the word petrichor means, myself included, I did look it up after reading the response and found that it was beautifully described. Here is the definition of petrichor. Petrichor means a distinctive, earthly, usually pleasant odor that is associated with rainfall, especially when following a warm, dry period. And I do believe that Vivi did an excellent job at taking this one word and describing how it would feel as if it was tangible. And the reason why I chose this writing prompt to make into a contest is because as authors, we have the responsibility of taking sentences, words, and paragraphs and making them into a reality for our readers. But if we do not know how to make those words into a reality, into a feeling and a sensation for our readers, then our readers are simply taking in words, but not reveling in that story that is taking place within that book. So if you guys haven't written your response for this writing prompt, it is still listed in my feeds on Instagram. So go ahead and go on over to my Instagram account and try your hand at responding to this writing prompt. And I will be more than happy to take a look at your wonderful words. And once again, congratulations to Vivi for winning the writing prompt contest. I'm so excited that you won the contest, and I'm excited to see all the other works that you will do in the future in regards to writing. So again, everyone, congratulate Vivi in the comments. Make sure you follow her on Twitter and say congratulations. You did great on this writing prompt, and check out all the other awesome things that she is doing out here in the writing world. And if you guys want more writing prompt contests just like this one, be sure to let me know in the comments section below. And for those of you who do not know, I am Octavia D. Mason, giving you the best practical writing tips, resources to build a strong novel, and confidence to write your story. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. And there are more videos to come, so keep an eye out. Petrichor. Is that how you say it? Can you pause it?